video from the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is garden view from here. This is garden. So we're gonna move into first room, which is room number 3. This is room number 3, which has an ensuite toilet. This is the room, and this is toilet. This is shower. One more room, room number 4. You can see toilet and the shower here. There's a small garden here and the toilet. This is the door from the garden. And the room is this is room number 5. Biggest one. It has a toilet as well. This is the toilet, and there's a small space. The room here. This is room number 1. Turn on the light. This is the room. And it has a toilet as well.